Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video number 2 of Next.js with a Typescript, we are going to understand the file and folder structure of Next.js app and what is the purpose of page.tsx and layout.tsx file that we are going to understand. Go to the project here. We start from the last one. We have tsconfig.json. So this is the file for configuration purpose of Typescript configuration file. Remember that? So this is required by the Next.js compiler. Now we have Tailwind. So this is the file which is required for Tailwind configuration because we are using Tailwind here in place of Bootstrap. So it is predefined installed and linked with this application. Then we have a readme for your application. If you upload this application on GitHub, then you will need this type of file. We have post-CSS configuration that is also required to merge Tailwind and other plugin which is required in your application. This is package.json file required by npm for your application's name, for your version, for a script and for dependency. Everything which is required your application is mentioned here. Don't try to change it directly. This is a log file that generates automatically after build. Then we have a Next.js configuration file that is we required for configuration purpose of Next.js. Other file it is also required automatically, don't need to change this. Then we have a GitHub ignore file. This file is required if you upload your project on GitHub, then what directory you want to ignore. Just write there and it will ignore those files. Then this is the ESLint configuration file that is required for configuration of ESLint in Next.js project. Now these all are configuration files. Now one file is page.tsx, that is the main file, main component from which your Next.js application start their execution. This one is there. And we have layout. This layout file is responsible to design the layout for each and every page that we are going to create in Next.js. Means this page.js also comes under this layout. Remember that. So this child is the page.tsx. So all the child come under this layout. So this is the first file which is having a HTML tag and body. Remember that. And in this we do not have the HTML body tag or HTML tag. We have the inner tags, those are required under the body tag. Remember that. Only this is the first file that have the complete layout of HTML. Under the body we write each and every component that we are going to create in future also. This is global CSS that have the information of all the your Tailwind and your global configuration here like this. Now we have icon also. If you want to take your icon, you can put your icon here. Then we have public directory in which we have some images or some resources that you want to give access to the public folder. This is the module that have all the dependencies installed here automatically, which is required by Next.js project. This .next is the directory just automatically created by Next.js for their build application. Install here. So do not change, do not go inside this. We have to go inside only app directory. This is one, the app router we called. We are inside this. So this is the directory structure here and this application is running and we have a black color here. So how we can remove this black color? For that we can go this global CSS file and here we can remove all the information that is available here. We can remove this or we can comment this information. If in later video we required, we may have it. So we are just making a comment of this. We required only these files. Those is required by the Tailwind. So that's why we have using this here. Remember that. Now everything is done. And if I go there, you see we have the white screen here after removing all the default configuration. Those are available in global.css because we have given here dark theme. You see dark is there, color scheme dark. So we have removed all these things. Done. And if you want to because this is coming in the center of the screen, if you want to put in the corner of this and some other things, that is depend on the, you can say the setting here we are providing here, and that is depend on Tailwind CSS like this we have using this. So how to use this and how we link Tailwind in their project, we will see in next videos also, but in this video we just decide to learn the file and folder structure of Next.js application and use of page.tsx and layout.tsx. So each and everything I have explained you here in a brief way, and in detail we will see in next videos. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.